What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a cryptocurrency called Enjin coin. Ticker symbol is ENJ, and they're currently trading at just $1.09 per coin. They're down tremendously from their all-time high back in late November of 2021 of $4.84 per share. Obviously, around this time period, the entire crypto market as a whole saw all-time highs. Bitcoin was an all-time high as well. The stock market was doing very well around this time period. So basically, every single asset market was doing well. All the assets in that market were performing extremely well. They were in a bit of a bubble, and we saw that pullback that we needed, that little bit of a retracement to get some more buyers back in. But ever since then, you can see a clear and consistent downtrend. And as of late, these past few days, these past few weeks, the markets have been getting absolutely destroyed, and Enjin is no exception. Yesterday was an extremely bloody day in the crypto markets, one of the bloodiest I've ever seen, and Enjin fell all the way down to $1 even before bouncing back up to the current price of just $1.09 per share. You can see over here, as indicated on this RSI indicator, they are still pretty oversold, sitting at 26.52. Anything under this yellow line, this 30 on the RSI indicator, it means that they are oversold and that they are potentially due for a bounce back. So I am a buyer at this price of $1.09 per share, purely on the fact that I think it's a great long-term investment, but it's also due for that short-term relief bounce. So traders probably will be scalping this play and looking for a little sustained move back up to about $1.50 to $1.60 per share within these next few weeks. And for those of you who don't know what the cryptocurrency actually is and what it does, you can see it's a native cryptocurrency of gaming company Enjin. It can be earned through in-game achievements and used to buy virtual goods on gaming platforms. The Singapore-based company is known for the digital Enjin marketplace and its plugins for the popular video game Minecraft, among other products. You can see this is their platform, this website right here. It's called Enjin.io. You can learn about them. You can see their products, solutions, tokens, blog, ecosystem, everything you want. They also do have some NFT integration as well. But I do want to go over this article before I close things back out. Back with that chart. This is from Outlook.com. This was published not too long ago. It's titled Enjin and Mush Token, two cryptos with the potential to explode by 1,000%. Obviously, that's a pretty bold statement, but I do think it could obviously happen with a crypto like Enjin. You can see it states, a cryptocurrency investment is one that many people are beginning to get on board with. I do want to start off by saying that statement is somewhat true. Worldwide adoption, national adoption of cryptocurrency, it's still just kind of slowly starting to take place. Not everybody knows what cryptocurrency is. Not everybody knows what it does. Not everybody is investing in it, but we are seeing some major changes across some big time companies that are integrating this into their business models. They're accepting crypto for payment. We are also seeing some big time investment services like Fidelity give their clients the ability to invest in crypto directly on their platform. So there is changes happening. I think it will begin to rapidly pick up due to the fact that we are seeing this high inflation with the dollar, the US dollar, and things like that. I do think cryptocurrency is going to begin to play a more prominent role in the entire economy. But you can see Enjin and Mush Token are two cryptocurrencies that are ready to board the rocket to the moon and beyond. Let's take a look at what makes these two projects unique. You can see Enjin integrates gaming apps, websites, and the communication channels that support them. The Enjin community has opened up new ways of discovering and purchasing NFTs. Crucially to Enjin's evaluation, Enjin also allows members to convert NFTs directly to ENJ, melting them down, as it were, to mint new coins. So that's kind of a unique part of what they actually do. They can directly convert their NFTs to their cryptocurrency Enjin, the Enjin coin that I keep talking about, that's trading at $1.10 per share. It's a direct transfer. So that's a very cool part of what they do. And digital assets on the Enjin platform are valued in ENJ, and developers purchase ENJ to create in-game content. ENJ had its ICO back in 2018, but its value only began to soar when the broader Enjin ecosystem developed sufficiently to support it. And by early 2021, the coin's value had begun to appreciate significantly, and a surge in February of that year seemed to suggest that ENJ had found its footing. Lastly, you can see the Enjin community is a significant player in the crypto space, boasting nearly 20 million registered users on one of the world's largest blockchain-enabled gaming platforms. If that sort of community does not support sustainably rising coin valuation, many investors are left to wonder what can. So, 20 million registered users at the time that this article was published is pretty impressive, given the fact that not that many people even know what Bitcoin is, let alone let alone know what Enjin coin is as well. So we take a look back over here and circle back to the Webull chart. Obviously, like I said at the start of this video, in a clear, consistent downtrend. It has nothing really to do with Enjin coin in particular. The entire crypto markets, the stock market as a whole, has been kind of seeing this downwards movement. Obviously, some things in the overall economy haven't been going that great. Gas prices are shooting up. There's pretty high inflation. The stock market just saw one of the worst months it's seen since 2008. So when there is fear, that is a great time to buy if you are a believer in the stock, or in this case the crypto and what they do and their long-term future. But you can see if I go ahead and draw these lines in, it's in a clear downwards channel. It is nearing the end of this channel in my opinion. I do think this major dip will kind of act like a spring and be the move it needed to finally break above this and regain some of its previous lost levels and start to kind of turn this thing around, kind of right the ship. I think it's going to bounce right off this low of $1 per share, or per coin, excuse me. The current price $110. I think the next price target is going to be $2 per coin. I think it will hit this within 2-3 months max. I think the entire crypto market as a whole is kind of going to reverse, bounce back hard, and a lot of people are going to be pouring their money back into these undervalued assets. There's just a lot of fear right now going on, but you don't want to buy when everything's shooting up and when everything seems to be going so well. You want to buy when there's major discounts, major dips. And if you liked Enjin coin back when it was $2-3 per coin, you gotta love it right here at $1.10 per coin. I think it has a ton of long-term potential. But with that said, guys, be sure to do your own research before investing in any asset, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.